What's going on, guys? Today I've got a little bit of a different video for you in the shop. Say hi, guys. Got little AJ here helping me out. Yeah, look, the wheel's bent, buddy. So yeah, we got a bent wheel here on the RZR Turbo, the battle wagon. I only had about 8 PSI in them. When I hit a rock really hard, it bottomed out the tire and then it impacted the wheel. Since these are Bullite wheels, they have a softer alloy compound than a lot of cast wheels you'll see on the market. So instead of cracking or breaking, they tend to bend. We're gonna literally just sledgehammer it and see if we can get that wheel to hold air. We'll see what we can do. I'm gonna try and not even peel the tire or anything. I'm just gonna try and start hammering it until it holds air and then get it as close as I can. And AJ here is gonna help me. It looks like he's doing some custom grooving on the tires there. You can just lift the front end up a bit here.
Hi guys.
Yeah, say hi guys. Now you should be able to see that smack pretty good there. Push it over. Push. Okay, good. Now let's see if this thing will hold any air. Okay, looks like it's holding some air. Keep going. You hold the camera, yeah.
Hi guys, my turn.
Leaking out here really good. My tire went flat pretty quick when I did this. You putting some more air in it? Good. Spray that.
My turn.
Okay, do that. See the bubbles? Move away. Let's smash it now, okay? Watch out. It's holding a bit better. Oh yeah, that's definitely starting to hold a bit of air. So let's keep hammering it. That's getting better. We got a good 15 pounds in there now, and it's holding air. It's not leaking at all. Now I'm gonna hit it a bit more just to even it out. That ain't leaking. Okay, yes, this rim was bent. Yes, it's not perfect. But on an off-road application like this RZR, you will not even notice that bend, most likely. Maybe a little on the road, definitely not off-road. You would not be able to do that with a regular, single-piece, cheap cast wheel. No way in hell you could do that. If you had a hammer on the trail, you would have been able to fix this wheel with a hammer and an air pump, and you would have been able to keep going with your day. It would not cause you any more issues. So the claims Bullite makes about these wheels responding more like a steel wheel, bending rather than cracking and breaking, and being malleable enough to beat back into place when you kind of have to do a trail fix is 100% accurate. This spot here will not be as strong as it used to be, but what's the likelihood that you're gonna impact that exact spot again? I'd say this was a complete win. This is really, really awesome. That wheel is holding air. There's no bubbles there at all. We can now slap this wheel back on there and it's pretty much good to go, at least until I get a new wheel. We are ready to hit the trails again. Seem okay, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay!
You guys are looking for some true battle-tested wheels, check out Bullite wheels. Find them online, find them on social. Type them into Google, it'll take you where you need to go. Remember guys, no wheel is indestructible. Every product has a breaking point. It was just cool to see that this was one of those situations where I could salvage something rather than have to toss it and get a new piece. Super happy to see that my MRT Rocky RX tires survived that hit without any damage. I was a little worried that I might have gotten a pinch flat from that bend, but living up to their name, these MRT tires are tough. The Battle Wagon is ready for its next battle now. One of the marketing claims of Bullite is that although their wheels are aluminum, they're not as brittle as a regular cast wheel. They have more properties similar to a steel wheel. They are not a regular one-piece cast wheel. The face is cast, the barrel is cold rolled. That allows them to run a softer alloy compound than a cast wheel would. The pro is my wheel didn't grenade, and if I needed to, even in the field, if I had a big hammer, I could probably smack that into place and get it to hold air. Bullite will warranty a damaged wheel like that, but it's gonna be really cool to keep that as a spare. It's nice to have a spare wheel. You never know where it's gonna, you know, come back and help you out. Will it be as strong as factory after it's been bent? No, it won't be. Will it be perfectly true? No, it won't be. But for an off-road application like this, it's gonna be a solid spare we can rely on. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little video from the shop. Bullite Wheels did not ask me to make this video, and they had no input on it. I just thought it would be cool to try this out, and it ended up working out pretty well. If you'd like to help support the channel, please consider using our Rocky Mountain ATV MC affiliate link, which is in the QR code above. Any purchase you make will give us a small commission and not cost you a thing. If you'd like to support in other ways, then you can head on over to our Shopify store or find us on Patreon. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Ride safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.